So Alex, we were just discussing the door there. I mean, that's it's quite unusual what you've just pointed out, that a door is reversible. I've never ever heard of that before.
Yeah, no, nobody does that, but we know the height of our door. So if we put the door in the middle of the handle, because our doors don't change in size.
Right.
But if you're running a window company, you'll make the door to whatever size that customer wants, generally.
Yeah, they're all bespoke.
Small. But I've always wanted a door that will fit every circumstance. So you know what we want to do is we want our products to be on the shelf, ready to go out the door.
Yeah.
So if you want a studio for mum and dad, you can have it quick. If you want a studio for your garden, you can have it quick. If there's an issue with the door, say we dropped the door as we were taking it off the lorry, we've got one instantly.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
it's all about speed and efficiency.
So from a stock point of view, then it must mean that the amount of stock you have to you're able to keep stock. I would have thought the other way. You couldn't ever keep stock. You just have to build everything bespoke.
Yeah, and the two things happen there. One, if you're building stuff ahead of time, you've got better quality control. Because if you're building a studio that's going out,
rush.
Yeah, if you're building a studio, it's going out this afternoon, or you're making windows that are going out this afternoon, you're going to have to overlook, there's a scratch on that window, but we ain't got any other profile. If you're putting it in stock and safely storing it in stock,
then
it's picked out from stock, it's been quality checked, it's quality controlled, so we know that the quality is there every time.
Yeah, because didn't you say Jamie said there was like 28 different doors that we used to do?
Yeah, and that was frustrated me, because I'm sure there's companies out there just turn up and they'll build whatever you want, and it'll take them about 10 months and you'll have what you want. But I've never, in all my time as building, I've never been in a job that the customer was delighted that we were there for 10 months. They want you in and they want you out, because you affect their lives. They're having to get up every morning and you're turning up. I used to build extensions. Day one, everybody was happy to see you, bacon sandwiches all round, cups of tea, welcome. But 3 months later, here they are.